Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Casey from Shumatt, China. Today I'm going to show you some of our product. Look at this one. This is our valve assembly. Yes, if you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's see, okay? We pack it with the VCI anti-rust bags. And on this part, you can see this is a label on the packaging bag. The first lines, you can see these Shumatt logos. Yes, if you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us and we can apply the customized services for you, like the logo, the label, and the packaging bags, and so on. And this part, this is the product code F00RJ01479. The application inject model number is 0451200066 and 0451200067. Yes, on this side, you can see this QR code. And okay, let's move on the inside part. Wow, that's the inside. What a surprise! And we have the two types of our packages. You can see this one, that one. And today I will show you this one. Okay, let's check this one first. Okay, this is the inside part. We pack it with the oil paper. Wow, that's the inside. Actually, we're not only sealing the whole side, but also sealing the separate part. Let's see the separate part. The valve cap with the coating and the curved letters. The valve rod, different lengths, different size. If you want other sizes, you can contact us and we can apply for you. Okay, that's all the details I'm going to show you today. Actually, for our product, we have the 6 months warranty during this time. If you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can exchange and return it for you, okay? And here, I have several tips I want to share with you. The first is, if you wanted to clean it, please clean it with the oil, okay? And the second tip is, if you want to install it, remember, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. And each week we have different videos and the live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. If you are interested about our product, remember to follow us, okay? Feel free to contact us. And except that, we also have the injector, the nozzle, the repacking, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, and including this control valve we are showing today. Yes, any items if you are interested, please follow us and feel free to contact us. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.